Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to import hundreds of coupon codes into your new PremiumPress theme using Icodes. So let's get started. So in front of me we have the new coupon code theme from PremiumPress, and what we're going to do is use the free Icodes plugin that we've created to connect to your Icodes feed and import all of your coupon codes into your new PremiumPress website. It sounds a bit of a mouthful, but it's really easy, so let me show you how it's done. Firstly, we're going to import and download the plugin. So we're going to do that by the admin area of our WordPress theme. We're going to click on plugins. Under popular, we should be able to see the Icodes coupon plugin. So let's install this. You can see the install button at the bottom right. And it's going to connect to the PremiumPress website and download and install the new plugin. Let's just activate it. And once it's activated, you should see on the left hand side under the PremiumPress menu option the new Icodes import option. So we can just click on this, and this is the basic interface. Firstly, we need to obviously set up an account with Icodes, and if you don't already have one, there are two options. We have a UK feed and they have a USA feed. So we select which one we want to import. Basically, the UK feed imports all the stores and product coupon codes for the UK, and the US obviously all of the website stores, product feeds, etc. for the USA. So in this example I'm just going to use the UK. I mean, I can click on either one, I can just click on them to view more information, but they're pretty much the same website, but one's for the US and one's for the UK. So in this example I'm just going to use the UK feed. Now at this point it's worth noting that Icodes is a paid service, it's not a free service. They have a 14-day free trial, so if you click on register you can see there's a 14-day free trial, which is great for you just to kind of test it out to see if you like the service or not. But once you decide if you want to keep using the service, they charge I believe it's 29 Great British pounds every month to keep using the service. And it's a very good service obviously because they have regular updates for coupon codes, and it keeps your website flowing with new information and new coupons for your visitors to come back, and it saves you a lot of time obviously having to manually add coupons yourself. So let me show you how the plugin works with their feed. So obviously once you've signed up with Icodes, we just go to login, and this is what the interface looks like. It's very easy to use. So what you would do is enter your affiliate ID for obviously the affiliate network you're going to be using, and obviously you can use multiple. I've just entered 123 in an example, and then what we do is we select any of the merchants that we want to use. So in this example I'm just going to click on a few. Here we go, and then we scroll down to the bottom and just click on update. So basically what I've done is I've created an account with Icodes, I've logged in, I've entered my affiliate ID, and if you're not sure where to get your affiliate IDs from, in the useful links here under how does Icodes work, there's links directly to all of the affiliate networks there. So once I've done that and I've clicked update, now I want to go and import all of the coupon codes for these networks that I've joined, all these merchants that I've joined, into my PremiumPress website. So I do this by the admin area again of our PremiumPress website, and we enter our Icodes account details. So firstly, the country, obviously I'm using the UK feed, so I'm just going to select the UK. The username is the username that you use to log into your Icodes website. So in this case it's Mark Fail, and the API key is found at the bottom of their website here. So we just copy that and we paste it in here. Click on save settings. Now you notice once you save the settings, this green option, this green button here sets up, and it's update merchant list. And when you click that, what's supposed to happen is all of the options here, all the networks, all the merchants you've chosen will now be imported into your coupon website. So there we go, as you can see everything's been imported as we've chosen from our Icodes account. Now from here we have two options really. We can do manual import, so we can click on import coupons and import offers for each one, which is slightly time consuming, especially if we have a large feed, or we can simply click on import all codes. Now before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the coupons from my website. So these are all, there's 99 of them. So basically what we've added is this delete all coupons and store button, and this is a great way for you to test initially before you you launch your website live. So obviously if you've imported large amounts of data, or if you're using the demo data we've got with our theme, we can go ahead and clean all that, and we can clean up all of the stores as well. So you can see we've got some sample stores here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this button, delete all coupons and stores. And what it does, like I said, once you've pressed that button, you'll notice all the coupons have gone and all of the stores have gone. So let's go back to Icodes feed. Going to re-enter our information. Okay, click Save Settings. Okay, we're going to re-import all of the merchants. Okay, and when you import the merchants, you'll notice what it does automatically. It sets up all of the stores for you. So if we now look, we can see all of the stores have been set up automatically for the ones we've used and selected from our Icodes account. And now what we're going to do, we can just double check that we have no coupons already. There we go, we've got 0 coupons. We're going to use the import all coupons option here, and it's going to import all of the coupons that are available for those merchants. Excellent. Okay, so you can see it says import complete, and we've imported 32 new coupons from all of the merchants we've selected. And we can click here to view. So as you can see, we have 32, and these are all of the coupons that have been added from the different merchants. So look, there's page 1, there's page 2. Excellent. So that's basically what it's done. And obviously there's a thing to know. Obviously if you select hundreds of merchants here, when you import all of those merchants, it may take a little bit of time, but it will get there eventually. So if we take a quick look at the coupon website now, we can see we've added all these new coupons. On the top here we've got all of the stores we've just imported from Icodes, and so you can see very quickly you can set up a feature-rich active coupon code website that can earn you commission using PremiumPress coupon theme and the Icodes import tool.